most common way to buy orchids nowadays is to find them online. So let's see what European orchid growers have to offer on their web shops. I will be placing an orchid order, and this will include 3 to 5 plants of the same species, hybrid or variety, so we can compare their quality easily. We'll be taking a look at the website or Facebook page and order some orchids. I will also evaluate the service that has been given before and after delivery. The first in this series will be MSB orchideen in Germany, a small orchid nursery mostly specializing in orchids of the Cattleya Alliance and other rare to find orchids. More info and links for this nursery can be found in the description below. When my order is on the way, I contact the nursery to ask permission to use screen caps and pictures or other info from their site. MSB orchideen is a small orchid nursery of only 300 square meters and run solely by Brigitte Meyer. So let's take a closer look at the site. Although simple, you can change the language from German to English in just one mouse click. In the top left corner, you can sign in, create an account or use the search engine. And below that, you can go to the different categories in the shop. The category lists the plants with pictures, and you can order directly or go to the page for more info. The pictures give you an idea of what the plant will look like that you will get. It is not a picture of the plant itself. The items page gives you more info about the size of the plants you will get. It also shows one or more pictures. I decided to go with this one, a Sophronitis Wittigiana Xistobiala, young plants from a selfing. The second image on the page showed the size of the plants I might get. I entered the total I would like and put them in my basket. If you have an account or just created one, you have the choice to save the basket for later or just go ahead and purchase the items you want. Upon checkout, you get a simple but effective table with what you ordered, how to send and how to pay. Now let's see what's in the box. I had already opened it so the plants could get acclimatized to the higher temperatures in the house. I found the plants to be well packed. Before shipping, I got an email to ask if I would have my plants shipped immediately or wait because it was very cold. I was also told that she didn't like to use a heat pack because the plants and the packing materials would get damp and the risk of plant damage during shipping is greater. I answered back telling Miss Meyer the choice was hers, upon which she mailed me she was going to send the plants because temperatures were getting better in the week to come. I was a bit confused because I ordered 5 plants and there were only 3 packages in the box. So let's see what's in there. The orchids are securely packed in paper and the roots are protected by sisal or hemp fiber, slightly damp and often used to protect the roots from damage. I'm well pleased because all plants are approximately the same size and all in very good condition and a nice root system. Although the orchid selection isn't very big, the quality of plants she sent I find is very high. I really recommend this nursery. Unfortunately, shipping is only done within the European Union. I hope you liked this video again and see you next time.